Okay, this is your video tutorial on how to edit the testimonials on your website. If you go to the back end of Manual Solutions Physical Therapy /WP login and log in, we can get started. As you log in, you will come to the dashboard. Over here on the left-hand side under the Settings menu, the last link is called WP Cycle Text. If you go into this interface, you will see all of the testimonials that have been entered for your website that show up in that white box on the various pages. These originally were entered January 22nd, 2013, and I have not touched that date, but I'll show you a couple things you can do with this page. You have three options. You can add a new testimonial, or you can hover over an existing testimonial and edit it or delete it. Just so that you feel secure, if you click delete, you will get an error message that says, do you really want to delete this? So it's a safety check there. I'll first show you how to edit a testimonial, and then I'll show you how to add a new one. If you hover over any of these testimonials, you can click edit, and you have a couple of different windows here. I'm actually going to start with the bottom. Even though this says start date, it actually does mean end date. I'm not sure why they have start there. But all of these testimonials are set to expire January 22nd of next year. These were all dates that were previously entered by the person who implemented this plugin. This settings name needs to be left at settings 1, and when you start a new testimonial or create a new testimonial, you need to select settings 1. This link is always going to be the same. We're going to direct them to the client testimonials page that we have set up with various testimonials on that page. And this first box, which is the announcement, is the actual testimonial, and all of them have been set up the same, with a strong tag to highlight who the person is and where they're from, a colon, a space, and the actual testimonial. In this box, you're welcome to edit it however you would like. If you misquoted the person, you can change it. Instead of they're saying, and at my age, that feels great, you can select any part of this and say, at my age, I feel great. Once you're done editing the testimonial, you can click Update Details, and it will give you a confirmation that says it was updated successfully. You can come back to your left side menu and see that Joan from Idaho Falls has been updated. At my age, I feel great. That's how you edit a current testimonial. If you would like to add a new one, click this button that says Add New. And I recommend copying what is in the announcement from a previous testimonial to create a new one. But we will set it up the same way with the strong tag, Josh from Orem, and a closing strong tag, space, this company rocks. Because all the links are the same and I've entered them so many times, it actually comes up with the link that you need to select. Remember, we're going to select the settings. The start date can be any date that's previous to today. This is the date format that they want, year, month, and day. So set up the same. And then we can do an end date and push it out to the future. After you have everything set up the way that you want, you can click Insert Details, and you will get a message that says New Details was successfully added. Come here to your left side menu with WP Cycle Text, and you will see that Josh from Orem, this company rocks. You can see that this is all bold, so I actually haven't done it correctly. Need to go back in, and I put in the same tag, but you will see if you copy a previous one that the difference is a slash there, and this is called a closing strong tag. So if we update our details again, we get a confirmation message. Click on our cycle text, and you can see the difference in the weight of the font. We selected settings 1. We're good to go. We've added a new testimonial. I will delete this, and it's gone successfully deleted. That's how you edit current testimonials, delete them, and add new ones. On your website, in the testimonials section, when they have a link here and it's clickable, we send them to the client testimonials page. If you'd like to edit the actual testimonials on this page, you can come back to the back end and click on the Pages menu. And this first page is called Client Testimonials. And you'll see that this text lines up. Donna G. from Shelley says, went all of the doctors, etc. Over here on the front end, Donna G. from Shelley, went all of the doctors. If you would like to edit, you're welcome to change the words here. If you'd like to add new, what I recommend is copying what you would like to copy, or highlighting it, hitting copy, and then selecting paste. And that will create a template for you to start, and then you can come in here and make the changes to the new testimonial. Once you're done creating or adding an additional testimonial or editing, make sure you click this button here, which is update, and that will update the page for the testimonial. I will delete this and click update so we don't save any of those changes we've made, and it will show up here on your client testimonials page. If you have any more questions about editing the testimonials that arrive here in this box, or the testimonials that are actually on the testimonial page, please send me an email or give me a call. Thanks.